comfort, sport, and R plus mode. If you notice, it didn't change at all. The thing about that is the valves open and close based off of RPM. The Integra, when you go in sport mode, it just opens it up. I think that must be like a North America thing, but it makes a huge difference because if you change the mode, you don't hear the valve open or close. I'm just gonna rev it in the most sportiest R mode for the video. I'm gonna go 3,000 RPM. That's, I think it has a limiter of like 3,500. I'm gonna max it out, try to hit, bump it off the limiter. So the tone is different. Watch, I'm in comfort right now, and you can hear it. When I switch to Sport Plus, you can hear the toggle between the valves. So you can, in the Type R, you don't have this. It's RPM based. With the Integra, you have it. Sport, Sport Plus. Pretty big difference. Alright, I think the car is warmed up now. I'm going to start revving it to 3,000 and then bang it off the limiter to 3,500 because it's soft limited. I'm going to bang it off the limiter. All right, so that's a comparison of the exhausts. The Type S has the lower growl to me, and it has those pops on top of it. The Type R sounds a bit quieter. It does have an extra resonator, and then the tune is a little bit different where it doesn't do the pops. So the Type S sounds a lot better in my opinion.